I've just been adjusting the speed of my Sony PS-HX500 turntable because I noticed it was running fast on both 45 and 33 speeds. Now, I haven't got any proper test records with test tones on them. What I have got is a few of these old production music LPs, which I actually got from a fire damage sale. These have a 1 kHz tone at the end of every side, but that's really intended for level calibration, not speed, so I didn't really want to use that. So I started out trying to use strobe discs like this one here. I printed various different ones out off the internet and tried to use them, but I didn't have much success with these. The speed still sounded slightly off to me, even after I'd calibrated it using one of these strobe discs. So in the end I decided to just do it by ear, and I did that by using tracks that I have copies of both on record and on CD, and adjusting the speed of the record playback until it sounded exactly the same as the CD track. I used a few different records, but one of the ones I used for the 45 speed was Love Attack by Shakin' Stevens, which I have both on a 45 RPM vinyl record and a CD single. After making the adjustments, as a final check, I thought it might be an idea to record the entire record via USB from the Sony turntable and align that digital recording with the same track extracted directly from the CD copy. So I could then see how far the record had drifted out of sync with the CD after the full track had played through, and the answer was it was less than a tenth of a second out, something like 0.07 of a second out, I think, after the full 3-odd minute track. So I think that's a pretty good result. I don't think realistically I'd get any closer than that. So anyway, without further ado, I now present to you the results of that experiment. So firstly, I'll play you the 45 RPM record as captured via USB from the Sony PS-HX500 using Sony High-Res Audio Recorder version 1.10, and I made that recording at 44.1 kHz 16-bit stereo, so it matches the CD resolution exactly. I'll then play you the audio CD as extracted directly from the CD, and then finally I'll play both versions simultaneously with the record on the left channel and the CD on the right channel, so you can do your own direct comparison. Just one final thing to note, the pictures you see will be B-roll just to give you something to look at while the audio plays, so they might be a little bit out of sync, but the point of this is just for the audio comparison. The pictures aren't really relevant. Anyway, here we go.